豊橋などに大阪ナンバーやなどの快速急行が先に到着します。
안녕하십니까, 수홍 유니버스의 수홍입니다. 마지막 여정 오사카에 왔는데요. 네, 벌써 마지막 여정이라니 좀 아쉽지 않아요? 네. 재현이의 수염이 점점 길어지고 있다는 게 오사카의 마지막 여정을 알리는 것 같습니다. 오사카가 타코야끼가 처음 만들어진 곳으로 유명하다고 해요. 그래서 오사카에서 타코야끼 만드는 방법을 배워보려고 합니다. 타코야끼 먹어만 봤지 만들어 본 적은 한 번도 없어가지고, 그럼 오사카에서 타코야끼 체험 해보도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 입고. 저기 있다. 루츠 호스텔. 1층은 타코야끼 파는 데야. 2층은 건방와. 하이.
Korean?
하이. 네, 오케이. 네, 예약했어요.
좀 여기요.
아하.
English?
오케이, English.
English is okay?
yeah.
Okay. I'm Momo.
모모.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
뭐라고요?
태원 킴.
Taeyong.
재원.
Taewon. Taewon.
콜힌 제니.
Jenny.
제.
Okay, Jenny.
제니. 콜미 송.
Sung.
송.
Sung. Do you know what we're doing today?
타코야끼 쿠킹.
Yes.
Yes.
Have you ever eaten takoyaki before?
하이.
Okay. Do you like it?
하이, 한국 부대 유명해. 니용 잉글리시 제트.
English is better.
네.
For 90 minutes, you can make as much as you want. You also get one free drink. Later?
오케이.
I will be right back.
장사하시는 곳에서
외국인 친구 어디 갔어? 외국인 친구.
그러니까 우리가 만드는 거 먹으라는 거지.
많이 만들면 많이 만드는 대로 먹을 수 있다. 가져가시고.
How we will make it? We're going to put oil, then we will make the batter, pour in here, and then you can put your ingredients. This is the normal ingredients. This is tempura, beni shoga, and then octopus. But if you want to make your own special style, I have other ingredients also. For example, red wiener, chocolate.
초콜릿?
Mochi. Chocolate is very good.
Oh.
This is oil. Just put it in every hole and also up here. Are you from Seoul? No.
Yes.
Yes?
Are you American?
I'm American. Yeah.
아,
Yeah.
아, 오케이.
In the fall, I will go to Busan
Busan.
and Jeju.
오, I envy you.
Yeah.
I-
Have you been before? Do you want to wear takoyaki hats?
오케이.
오케이.
Let's go. 진짜? 네, 진심이야?
Nice.
Nice.
Very handsome.
Thank you.
Kakoi.
Is this kid for kids?
Probably yes.
Size very small.
Size is very small, yeah.
Hello. Nice to meet
This
you.
is bigger. I can
Okay.
wear this one.
Oh, cute.
Thank you.
Cute.
Okay. It's hard to see the numbers, so maybe you can look at the numbers and he can pour this. Okay? Because when we put the bowl, it's hard to see.
Okay.
Okay, 니하트.
오케이, 니하크. 오케이. 니하크와 네이비.
아니야, 더 훨씬 많이 해도 되겠다. 90, 102, 108, 114, 117, 127, 177. 아, 이제 슬슬 그만. 조금만 더, 더. more. 오케이.
Perfect?
Perfect.
Okay.
Not
and
perfect.
then 950 water.
950 월.
950은 굉장히 많이 넣는 건데
많이 넣어?
더 넣어도 되겠다. 지금 이제 300이야. 600, 700.
252ml 나가는 거 아니야?
어? 그런가? 아 잠깐 기다려봐.
I don't know. When you
Too much? It's almost all of it.
Oh, weird.
But not all of it, almost. Right now is only 666. And then when you're done, egg.
9. Oh.
Perfect?
Not no. 뭐 하라 그러지 않았어? 잡는 거야. Take it?
Egg.
Egg.
할 수 있어? 야 그렇게 하면 안 됐죠. 나 딱딱하네. 맞아? 순애돌 이용해봐.
She's also Momo.
뭐뭐 어? 야. 아 여기.
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Beautiful. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
조즈.
Those. Momo, how old are you?
Can you guess?
Maybe 15?
15?
Yeah.
Higher.
Higher? 24?
Higher.
More higher?
Yes. I'm Nuna. Because I think you're younger than me.
30?
No. Not that high.
We are Oppa.
Oppa?
Oppa.
You're 30?
No. 29.
Both of you? 29?
Side.
Okay, Oppa. Okay, I'm 27.
27.
But he's small, young.
아 답답해. 나 아파.
오, 29날에
그거 하지 마.
해줘야 된다 그랬어. 조즈? or not 조즈? 조즈?
아리가또고자이마스.
너 아이 맞구나. 얼굴이 이색이랑 비슷해졌어.
아이라니까 부끄럽다고 하지.
Okay, perfect.
오케이.
Did you do this part? This part also. Okay.
곤방와.
Yeah,
곤방와.
but Ego Jozu.
에고 조즈.
She can speak English. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. 오.
See? Did it? You did it?
Okay.
Turn on the heat. For the first time, we can do right here, low.
아, low.
But when you become more expert, you can do high.
아.
Beautiful.
여기 보면 이렇게 한강 매일 한강. 오케이.
You want me to hold it for you?
오케이.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
It's a takoyaki mukbang.
먹방.
Mukbang?
If you said it is crazy in Korea, 폼 미쳤다.
품 미쳤다.
폼 미쳤다.
품 미쳤다. Like yabai.
야바이?
야바이.
위험해. 어? 난 위험해. It looks awesome.
Oh, looks
It looks
awesome.
Is this okay?
미쳤다. 폼
Is this
미쳤다.
okay?
Beautiful. Konpeki. Perfect.
When you say 폼 미쳤다.
폼 미쳤다.
폼 미쳤다.
폼
오케이.
미쳤다.
폼 미쳤다. 오케이.
Normal one is octopus, benishoga, and tempura. But if you want to try red wiener, corn, I like corn a lot. Shrimp, mochi, chocolate, very good, and cheese. Yeah, I know it's too hot. Cheese. Oh wait. Hom, 둘, 셋. Kimchi. Was that right? 하, 둘, 셋. Kimchi.
Oh, finger hot.
I'm army.
Army.
Can you guess my favorite?
We? No?
나래.
Namjoon.
남준. 레몬스터.
Rat monster.
아.
가꼬이. 이치반 가꼬이.
미안해지네. 레몬스터를 보셔야 되는데.
다이저브.
우리 몬스터를 보셨잖아. 레몬스터 말고.
Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah.
다 넣을 거야? 네, 남으니까 다 넣어야 되는 거 아니야?
Kanko.
오케이. 한국 고진데.
Ni 29歳. Yeah,ね、若そう。 You look very young,
아, 땡.
like a teenager,
유튜브.
high school student.
유튜브.
She said, "Arigatou gozaimasu."
대박.
So now you can go around the edge and then down the lines.
위치가 좀. 아, 크로스, 라인?
Yes, exactly. You're so smart.
Thank you.
I'm gonna make it a little warmer.
Me too.
You are too. You're very smart too. If you look at the side, there's a wall. Stab it and then lift. Stab, lift.
네.
Beautiful. Genius.
I'm not genius.
It's okay. Not yet, but you will be.
긍정적이야.
Just stab it hard.
Stab it.
And
와.
maybe. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Genius. You're a genius now.
Thank you, sensei. I only
This one,
buy.
this one, do this one.
Okay, okay, do this one.
Stab it harder. Yeah.
오.
Beautiful. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Genius.
Wow. Oh,
Yes.
okay, I got
Yes.
it.
Good.
Got it.
Very
I got
nice.
it.
So smart.
영혼이 이제 없어지시고. I think I need to buy takoyaki.
It's fun, right? You should teach people, your friends in Korea.
I can't make takoyaki,
Not yet.
so I need to.
You need to practice more. Do you like cooking?
I like cooking.
You like cooking?
I like just eat.
You like just eat? Yeah, yeah. Me too, me too. What is your favorite thing to cook?
Sorry, I lie.
You lie?
I'm not. I
Liar!
don't like.
You're a
I don't
liar!
like cooking.
Usotsuki!
Usually I
Eat only. Take out
chicken breast.
beer or chicken. Chicken breast only?
Yeah.
Oh, for your health?
Yeah.
You're very healthy?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Oh, look at.
Oh,
look at
wow!
the sauce.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
That's
Look at
really
this.
Wow.
How many years do you work here?
Like 3 months.
3 months? 3 months?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
You said, oh, interesting.
내가 망쳐나가고.
Oh, you fix this.
Yeah,
Oh.
they will be very beautiful. When you poke it like this, and it's kind of hard like this, that means it's ready. That. But it's very hot. When you say hot,
뜨거워. 뜨거워. 콩 미쳤다.
no? Oh yes, this is sauce, mayonnaise, and katsuo. You study
In hotel.
in hotel? Love hotel?
Yeah.
Love hotel?
Huh?
Love hotel?
No hotel?
Love hotel?
That's crazy. 콩 미쳤다. 미쳤다.
You're welcome. I'm gonna make it look beautiful. Wow, you're so smart. Exactly. Just like that. That's exactly how you do it. It makes it look very beautiful.
I'm jealous because the teacher loves you. Only you.
It looks beautiful. I love it.
언제 씻는 거야? 응? 언제 씻는 거야?
난 아까 금방 좀 많이 씹었었는데.
열어놔야겠어.
Okay, do you want to get this ready for the next one?
Okay.
So now you're an expert. Now I won't tell you anything. You have to do it by yourself.
Are you tired?
Yeah. I just watch you now.
이거를 지금 뿌리는 거야. 이마.
Yep. You can even do more.
Okay.
Like a lot. Can I show you one? It makes it more crunchy. You know crunchy?
Or do you wash your hands?
Yeah, of course.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Did you? Maybe no.
No. In hotel. In home. You want this?
No.
Why? I made this.
카메라. Hello.
How old are you? 7. Not elementary school? No. Kindergarten?
First grade?
I'm not scary man.
Scary.
I'm handsome man. Why? Not joking.
It's like tempura.
Then up.
Finger. Yeah.
똥의 쿠킹 교실이네.
그렇지.
제 재미 들렸네.
You don't want any?
감사합니다. 잘 먹었습니다. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you want me to tag you on the post? Yeah.
네, 이렇게 해서 타코야끼 만들기 체험 해봤습니다. 어땠어요?
진 빠져. 살면서 제일 많은 영어를 오늘 들어버렸어.
약간 타코야끼 공부하러 왔다가 영어 공부도 많이 한 것 같다.
그냥 영어 때문에 내가 타코야끼를 열심히 만들었거든.
타코야끼 체험 먹기만 해봤지 만드는 방법 배우고 싶었는데 잘 배운 것 같고, 재현이가 확실히 이쁨 받는 거 보니까 잘하는 것 같습니다. 닌자 체험도 그렇고 다 잘하는 것 같아요.
좀 잘 좀 해봐.
방송을 위해서 얘기하는 거였고요. 네, 이렇게 오사카 마지막 하고 한국으로 돌아가겠습니다.
오야스미나사이. 잘 자요.
朝焼けのベランダから